Today we are talking about the security module, and we are just upgraded to the new firmware. And so this video will show to you and how to use the security module and in basic settings, and also working with the iPad, the iPhone also the same. And we have now here the security module and the CTP. You know the CTP, and we have this one for security module, for security setting, and this one the DDP can be programming for security, and we have also the mix 23 zone based as we need this one. And then we firstly started from and also this one. Oh, I forget. Thank you, Sanjay. And this one for Z. For this one has contacted to the mechanical switches. We use the joy contact Z1. And then this one will scan the status of this one, of this joy contact. Okay, let's firstly start from the smart cloud programming. And this one, we make settings for button, for example, and we have the mix 23 and the device ID is 28.
Pause 1 second.
Okay. Okay. And now we have this one for button on, and we have the channel 5 to be the indication light. The button means that's the indication, and this one is just to show if you are entering another state, or if we change the state of this one, then the button should be off. And so it's good to have a button, and if you have indicated the light or indicated some other device to do this, maybe signal voice, and everything okay. And this one also we have this 5 seconds later, and this one should disappear. And this is the security base. And then we have the ARM city. And the security module can enable 8 of the error number, but we tested the number 1, and this one should also show in the current status when you refresh, and this one will refresh for you. And we make settings for here, for example, if we have the location arm, making this one to play some of the songs, for example, play by the order, and also the lights to be on, and the channel 1 of the lights to be small on. And we have the percentage here, and this is the dimmer. And then I have setting here the night when we on, and also the day on. If this on, I will turn off all the sound, and I turn off and broadcasting, and this one to turn off this device, the mix 53. And here we have the bypass. If you want to have any of the sensors such as the 4Z and the 91 and also IPIR and 24Z, and all this one you can add here. So now if you have this one, you check this one, it means that if you wanted to make this one to be on, and you should check the status of this device. And this is the 4Z, and we have the device ID 19. And the first one, joy contact. Okay, so we have finished this basic setting. Let's go to the 4Z. I have here for joy contact, because the joy contact is connected to the mechanical switch. And then from here, you know how to add the joy contact to the security module. So I have added this one for night only, and you can choose for away for rotation and for day and for night with guest, and also for enter delay, such like this. From here, you need to indicate the device ID, and this ID is for security module, and then the area number. And because we have enabled area number 1, okay, and we are finished this one. The school light exports, and this is mini software, and it's easy for programming. Let's go here. It is very easy from here, and if you find the table set, and this is the list, and from the security, and we can make a record number, and this record number actually is also the sequence number, and the sequence of the area number. But now we have this one for test, and this is the area number 1, and this is the device ID. This ID is for security module. Okay, so easy for this one for programming. So now we are making tests, and because all the G4 system, they are 2-way, and they are Alex. Okay, let's now have a test. Because we have tested this one, and first we explain this one. If we go to the security, and we have the default password is 888. If you don't know this password, you can find it from here, and the password you see, and the default password is 8888. And you can change the password and change the old one to the new one. They have different password system. Actually, from here, we also have the CTP. The CTP password is the same as this one. And you can change from here the password. You can also change it, this one directly. And CTP just getting password from the security module. Okay, let's first have a testing here. If we wanted to have the night in module from here, and because this password is 88 and just 81, and this one we go to the night module. So you see this one is the indication night in the buzzer, and then here is a night in one. You can change these words, and from here. If we change to another one, for example, maybe this one is a day. It's a day arm. From here, you see the day, and here is the day. And if we change it from here, and also we change it to the night again, and then they come back to the night module, and the music also and change if we disarm from here. Okay, and all get disarmed. Thank you all. And for the so now we are going to for the and because for the we have made this one to with security of the night module. So and from here from for the and you can find the status. Now this status and for dry contact trigger conditions and okay. So and Sanjay try this one is connected and Sanjay and change disconnected. Okay, and connect. Okay, so if we wanted to enter the night information, this one is for night. Okay, number 2, and we have remember. So you see cannot enter any night module because this one has been expected and this one is connected. So make it disconnect. Okay. Now okay. Thank you.
Hi again.